How to block spam calls on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the phone app on your device and then tap on the Recents option from the bottom toolbar. Now go ahead and find the number that you want to block and then tap on the eye icon or the info icon next to it. Now, scroll down and you will see the option for block caller. Tap on that, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the block contact option. And with this, the number will no longer be able to call, text, or FaceTime you. Next, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the search bar and search for phone. Here, go ahead and scroll down and tap on the Silence Unknown Callers option and further enable the toggle button for Silence Unknown Callers, and with this, calls from unknown numbers will go straight to voicemail but appear in your recent list. So this is how you can block spam calls on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.